The science of comfort. How it works. First, it conforms to the body. As our straps conform to the shape of the body, the weight is evenly dispersed over a larger surface area, making the item feel lighter and more comfortable. Second, it absorbs the shock of your movements. As many of our straps function like a shock absorber using our patented control stretch system, it actually reduces the force exerted on the body during movement. This reduces the feel of the weight on the body. Third, it reduces pressure points. The materials used in our straps effectively reduce pressure points caused by seams in clothing or bones in the neck and shoulders. This alleviates pain, fatigue, and tension often felt with a conventional strap. While other strap companies may try to address one of these issues, as you will see from the following test results, only Optec USA makes straps that deal with all three. That's how Optec USA makes the most comfortable straps in the world. Testing the straps. In this video, we will test our straps along with some competitor straps. We will compare the ability to disperse the weight and deal with pressure points. For these tests, each strap has a 10-pound weight attached to it. The Tactilus sensor pad registers pressure across its entire surface. By wrapping the pad around a cylinder, we approximate the contours of the neck or shoulder. The amount of pressure, from 1 pound psi to 10 pounds psi, is shown by the height and color displayed on the graph. 3 dots of silicone have been applied to the sensor to simulate protrusions of bones or seams in clothing. For the first test, we took a normal webbing strap and placed it over the protrusions on the sensor. We can see that this strap does not conform around the protrusions, and there are even areas around them where the strap is not in contact at all. Peaks indicate high pressure points, and when the strap swings, you can see the entire width of the strap does not stay in contact with the sensor. Optec USA's Envy strap has a wider area of contact, meaning that the weight of your gear is dispersed over this entire area. Next, we'll go to a wider woven strap that shows that even though the strap may be wider, it still does not disperse much weight. There are areas of no contact around the protrusions, while the Optec USA Super Classic strap distributes the weight evenly around the protrusions and in all areas across the full width of the strap. So even while swinging, it maintains this weight dispersion where the webbing cannot. Here we see a competitor's padded sling, but even this padding does not conform around the protrusions. Optec USA's utility sling shows a much wider area around the protrusions, and in fact the entire strap remains in contact. When the straps swing, the competitor sling cannot conform to the shoulder, and we see large spikes across a narrow area. Here is a high-end sling that actually does a better job of conforming around the protrusions, but still shows some high-pressure spikes. As the strap swings, you can see that the area of contact reduces to a thin line, concentrating the weight at the strap's edges. Optec USA's Urban Sling maintains constant contact for better and more even weight distribution. Now we see a common bag strap with a vinyl non-slip pad. You can see that this strap makes no contact at all around the protrusions, and the pressure spikes are extremely high because the vinyl concentrates the weight right onto these protrusions. Again, when the strap swings, we can see a very narrow profile of contact, meaning you have to conform to the strap. The Optec USA SOS strap has a wider profile and no spikes for more comfort. Now, even with a thick padded strap, we can see better conformation around the protrusions, but there are still spikes of high pressure because the strap cannot conform enough to disperse the weight across a larger area. When the strap swings, you can see a very thin line of contact, compared to the Optec USA SOS strap, which maintains a wide area of contact. So, the results are in. Experience the science of comfort for yourself by choosing Optec USA.